Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Toyota Sienna. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including the correct type of motor oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, and a wrench. Next, ensure your engine is slightly warm, as this helps the old oil drain more easily, but be careful not to let it get too hot. Finally, safely lift your Sienna using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Now that your vehicle is prepped, it's time to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully remove the plug and allow all the old oil to drain into the pan. Once empty, clean the area, install a new crush washer on the drain plug, and tighten it securely. With the old oil drained, let's move to the filter. Locate the oil filter, typically on the side of the engine, and use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug and give it about a quarter turn more. Now, carefully lower your Toyota Sienna back to the ground. Open the hood and add the recommended amount of fresh motor oil through the oil fill cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed, and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.